Wait, do y'all see this lace? Hey y'all, it's SHANIQUE.JAVELLE. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a glueless install of this wig. It is a lace front wig that I got from RPGSHOW. It has combs on the inside as well as an adjustable strap. I've been working with RPGSHOW for a few years now, so I'm very familiar with their wigs and it's always an effortless install. I'm that person that gets excited before I even do anything. But seriously, this lace is looking really good, like already. Highlights have literally been all the rage all 2020, so I'm excited to actually try it on some curly hair. All right, so let's get into this. If you're not the best at cutting lace, the best thing to do is always cut in a zigzag and never ever cut in a straight line. That's the key to not having a very harsh line look when you install your wigs. I'm going to be using the new ORSfixit line that they have for basically touching up your wig installs or even doing your wig installs yourself. I've been using this line for a few months now and I do love it. It's, to me, a little less harsh than Gots to Be. That you're doing it on cool. I'm honestly still getting used to recording and installing at the same time, but I promise y'all I'm gonna get better. So here is the final look, and I'm absolutely in love. It looks super natural and extremely melted. It feels extremely secure, like it's not going anywhere, y'all. So yes, these products are definitely gonna be like a permanent staple for me. I'm loving this look. Oh, and don't be like me. Give your curls time to dry. Thanks for watching.